Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to edit robots.txt file in WIX. So let's go to your WIX dashboard first. Then you have to go to this site and mobile app. Then you'll find here website and SEO. You have to just hover up your mouse. Don't click, just hover up, and you'll find here SEO. Click on SEO. Now scroll down. Then you'll find robot.txt editor. Click on this. Now here you can see that connected domain to active your robot.txt file. I'm not a premium user, so I cannot connect my domain here. If you are premium user, you have to connect your domain. After connecting your domain, you have to do this thing. Go to your SEO dashboard, select the robot.txt file under tools and settings. Then you have to click view file. Now add your robot.txt file info by writing the directives under this is your current file. Okay, you can see the total tutorial here. So after that you have to click save changes, then click save. So this is how you can do this, guys. If you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.